Welcome back to my channel, and now I'm going to download driver Lexmark. This here for the Syria. You type here driver download, and that's why I'm search the VCL website for you. I'm like the download for the VCL website. The VCL website not available and easy to download for the VCL website. This here for VCL website. You click here, that's why. This here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title, driver and support. Click here for the title. That's why. This here for the title, driver and tiller here, and this here for the tag your device model print. This here for the tag your operating system and my operating system for the Windows 10, and this here for automatic detect operating system, and this here for recommended driver for me for the Windows 11. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system of Linux, Windows, and Mac. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version. You click here. This here for Linux 2024, 25, and this here for 20, 13.6, 13.7 for the Fedora version, and this here for the Debian 11, and Debian 10, and Debian 7, and Debian 8, and this here for the Debian version, new version for the Fedora or the operating system for the Linux, and this here for March the version for the Red Hat Linux for the Ubuntu, and this here for the chain operating system for the Mac. This here for Mac version, you click here. This here for Mac Chill Live, Mac 11, Mac 13, new version for the Mac. This here for Mac 10, and this video I'm going to download driver for Windows, and click here. Select here for Windows. This here for operating system, you click here, and this here for a new version for the Windows 11 driver, and this here for Windows 10 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for Windows Server driver. And I need download driver for Windows 11. Select here Windows 11, looking that release, and this here for a new that release support your operating Windows 11, and this here for the language English. And you scroll down, and I am recommendation for you. You download for the package, and you click here for the need to the landing page 2, and this here for the universal print driver installation package, and this here for universal package looking that release, and this here for a new that release. If you need download, you click here for the title, you click here for button start download. This here for your driver download. Okay, this here for your driver download. If you need install a for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC, laptop or PC, USB cable printer, and this one for the driver finish download. If you the driver finish download, you double click here, you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. This here for the type automatic here USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link about below description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time in the video.